Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could get a free 5,000 Discord orbs by doing the new Perplexity Comet AI browser quest on your Discord app. Now, we've never ever had a quest for this many Discord orbs on Discord. This is insane. 5,000 orbs is enough to buy any Discord avatar decoration from the shop. If we actually go to the Orbs shop here and scroll down a bit, we can see all the different decorations you can get. Some of them you can't get, like the bundles, but you can get any decoration you want because they're all below 5,000 orbs. And this is a major deal, as normally the quests give you about 700 Discord orbs, like this Black Phone 2 quest. So you'd have to do an equivalent of over 5 quests to get this singular quest reward. Now, all you're going to do this quest is first we're going to go to your Google browser. And once you're in Google, you're going to search up Comet AI browser. And once you do that, you're going to click on the first link here, or the second link, perplexity.ai. And you will click on that. And once you're here, the center of the screen will say download Comet. Now, make sure you're on the proper website. It'll be perplexity.ai/comet. And all you're going to do is click on the download button in the center of the screen. Once you download, the exe file will be installed on your computer in the downloads folder. It'll be called Comet Installer Latest.exe. You're going to double click to open this exe file. And once you open this exe file, you'll be brought to this sort of mini program here, which is the installer. And all you're going to do is click on Start Install in the center here. And it'll begin installing the AI browser. And we can see it is installing the browser currently. It might take a few minutes. And now that we have it installed, we can see in the center of the screen there is a button to launch the Comet browser, or just launch Comet. If we go back to our Discord quests here, we're going to want to, by the way, if you don't know how to get here, you want to go to the Discovery tab on the left side of your screen, then click on the Quest tab in the top left, and then you'll see the quest somewhere in the heap of quests here. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on Accept Quest underneath it, and it'll have a progress bar of 0%. And it says you have to use the Comet AI browser for 15 minutes with your Discord client open and win 5,000 Discord orbs. I do want to mention that you have to be on the Discord app on PC or the Discord browser app on PC, so you cannot be on a mobile device. So all we're going to do is click on Launch Comet, and it'll launch the browser inside of your computer. And from here you can customize your own profile and choose a color for your profile. You can choose the light or dark theme, or just choose the device's theme. And you can create a profile and get into the browser and actually use it. But if you do not want to create anything, you don't have to do any of this. You could leave it all as it is. And if we actually look on Discord here, we can see that the progress bar is already going up. So we're going to let the AI browser run for 15 minutes. And I'll cut back to once this has been completed. And there we go. So it's been 15 minutes and we've had the Comet browser running just in the background here. And we can see that the progress bar is fully filled for this quest. And all we're going to do is click on the claim reward option. You're going to verify yourself here, and it will be applied to your account. There we go. Your orbs balance is now 7,130. That's because I already had 2,100 before. But I've just gained another 5,000, which once again is absolutely insane. And now that we have that 5,000 orbs, we can now explore the shop here and scroll down. And by the way, you can get Nitro, but because this is such a special quest and it's so many orbs, I would suggest choosing an avatar decoration or an avatar effect, as it'll last a lot longer than only 3 days, and it'll be on your Discord profile, as well as they just look a lot cooler. But anyways, guys, that will be a wrap to today's shorter tutorial. I mainly wanted to make this video because, well, it's such a big deal to have a 5,000 Discord orb quest, which we've never ever had, ever. And that's just crazy because it's enough to buy pretty much anything you want with orbs in the shop. So it's an amazing quest. Hopefully you guys got it. If you have any questions or you need any support whatsoever, please leave a comment in the comment section below, or join my Discord server. It was also linked in the description below, and go to the support channel and you could ask all the questions away there. Also, thank you for 2,500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. It is a big milestone, and we are only 500 away from 3,000. And once we hit 3,000 subscribers, we will be giving away 2 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful, or if you want to be notified for further Discord tutorial content. And I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.